So you're the
I'm
alien.
the alien dude.
Alright,
Powerful.
this time for real.
Also, can I take... How long is this cord? I can't... Okay, because you can hear... Because you can hear... Like... Let's continue.
They're all dead.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just powerful.
Do you have a hat?
Jump! Whoa! You stick to the vine.
What? No, you don't.
Oh, if you press up, you stick to the vine. You got a ball and chain, dude. Is that a weapon?
Whoa, what was that? What is this? Solid? That's really good, actually.
We go. Oh, shoot.
Oh, yeah. What? Where's all
Climb. We go to the roof.
I guess making it really hard and stuff. I don't even use this ball chain.
Yeah, cut it off, man. Here, I'll shoot it off for you. Pow. Be-woo-doo-woo-doo-woo-doo. Okay, I'm gonna get this.
Nice.
A bitta. Come with me. We went the wrong way. We must go to the left.
Yeah, you're totally right.
To the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick.
Oh, it's hurting that guy. Whoosh. Just
You don't get any items.
what? Why you got all these heals? Look at
Did I heal so quick?
you're gonna have some. I need some money. I need some chest.
I really honestly don't even know what my abilities do.
You got one, it makes you invisible, and your next attack stuns. And then you got like your headshot one, which if you kill him with it,
Right.
you get resets. When you get this chest.
Alright.
Oh! That's actually because
hoof!
I'm a melee dude, so that's good.
Alright.
I had one more goal. Anyways,
So,
you have to kill him with it. Someone.
let me try. Hold on. Wait.
Oh, she's resets.
Okay. Resets.
Okay, we get a chest.
Well, let's hurry because this level's getting harder. Come on, let's go.
Where's the...
It's all the way to the left.
Okay. I got you.
You gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. The resets.
What?
Oh, this time you're a higher level than I am. By a lot.
Oh?
Oh, we can buy one of these. The middle one.
You want to use that? Oh, no, the key. Remember, the key's really good. Open this
Alright.
chest. Oh, I got it. Wait, no, you got it. You're good.
Unlocks all chests in vision.
In vision. So if you can get multiple ones in your vision,
So can we go back and get those chests?
you can.
Dude, let's just wander
Solid.
around. Small bit of fall damage. For 2 seconds I recover so fast.
I'm upset about that. Okay, so you gotta get in both.
So you gotta be low, I'll be high. Oh wait, there's just one.
Oh, wait, yeah. Dang, we could've gotten like 4.
Golden gun.
Oh, that's...
Alright.
That's good.
Let's fight these guys.
Kill him with poison. Oh, look at that damage. Poison damage. That's good.
Run!
We're gambling? We're gambling. Oh, yeah.
Thanks.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You have like 4 heal effects.
Dude, I heal so hard. Alright, these guys are actually getting a little close.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
No, I got it. I think I got it.
Okay, good. I think you did too.
It's like a heal thing.
Where's that little bar next to me? Am I charging something?
I think that's your gold. That's your gold gun. Like, that's how much damage the gold gun's adding. You know? Because the more gold you have, the more power you set up.
Let's just activate this thing. You're kidding me. Wandering Vagrant.
Oh, this is a bad place to be.
Climb!
Jump.
Oh boy!
Get him on the poison.
Wow, he likes you. Need more poison.
Poison. It's on him. Got him.
Thank goodness.
What's that? A shield! Excellent.
Oh, an experience container. Wow, wow, these guys are...
Okay, we gotta do that.
Hold on, let's do this thing.
I got poison. Oh, yeah.
That XP and gold though. Woo-wee, buddy! I can hit that guy though.
There you go, dude.
Why do we gotta go?
We have any chests? Maybe we should.
I don't see why we need chests. We got... I don't think there are any chests left.
Oh, see? Oh, wait. Okay, oh, get the...
You have to get the gear.
Okay, yeah, the gear's really good. I use it last game. Oh.
Samurai!
It's really good. Well, that's not really, it's like...
5 enemies remaining. Dude, we can go 5 enemies. Alright. To the right. Oh, good. Shoot that. The gold bonus damage. That's little yellow.
No, I'm looking at that orange thing.
I almost dinged. Alright. Up! Ooh. Always up. Always climbing. Up. What? What? Down!
Ow. Solid. Okay.
Something to buy already. Cost 67. Can't do that. Alright, we go down further.
We go down. I don't know why I jumped.
Boss, let's go for it now. Let's go for it.
Poisoning.
Oh man. Oh.
Yeah, there, my friend. Oh.
Can we?
They're all getting poisoned so much.
They just want to eat me.
Oh god.
They just want to eat
Go back
me.
down. Poison. Get my poison. Go back. The Samarang!
Alright, I can take that guy.
Okay, yeah, I can.
Damage too high.
Enemies drop.
That's some damage too.
You also run fast with
I don't know if I do. I know you do.
stuff. Yeah, you do.
Are you sure the time limit doesn't carry over levels?
Pretty sure. I mean, I don't know what this bar does. Like, I'm not sure what that means. But I think we can find out.
I think that is how long you're playing, how hard it is.
Even then, you don't want to just go really fast each level.
Less damage. You gotta have a good balance.
Good balance. I think we should get that. We should get that mystery. Or, actually, I don't know what the middle one is.
Ooh, let's fight these bros.
Yeah. Right. That's all the enemies. I'll go this way. Or actually, get them. I don't know if you want to get the mystery thing. The health thing is just weird. I don't think you need.
Hello?
Enemies on attack.
Hey, I'm about to get on. Yeah. Nope. Alright. That's fine. Alright, see you. Bye. That phone call never happened. Alright.
Alright,
Get my
you got a
health.
really good one. Okay,
Dude, look how much damage I do because of how much gold we have.
that's a lot. That's a lot of damage. Objectively. Oh.
Hold on, I can just unlock it. Teddy bear!
What are you saying?
What is this? I unlocked all the things on the screen.
Oh, it's...
Oh, we gotta go around. You're melee at least.
Oh my god. That's what I need. Oh my god. Oh my god. There we go. You don't. Do you have a use item? You do have a use item. So I'd use get the mystery one. That's headstone. That's bad. That's the thing I got. Get that. Yeah.
Oh,
That's really nice. Items.
56 leaf clover. Unrealistic, but cool.
That's the chest you unlocked.
Let's go.
I'm going over here.
Dude, this time keeps going while we're...
Alright. You're right.
While we're screwing around getting items. Oh gosh, dang it. Don't follow me.
I think we can actually go this way.
We can't. We can't. We can totally go that way. Alright, so yeah, the timer keeps going. We gotta...
Alright. Be efficient.
Wait, can we?
Is this?
Slow fall. It's not
That's-
the Mario
that's pretty
level. I was about to go...
Oh, the water goes down. Oh wait, no, it's just.
The water is rising.
I just go.
Okay. Let's go this way. Let's find the teleporter.
Oh, I should not.
Woo, buddy!
Let's keep going. Oh, we got no money. Should we get money?
Let's go get money from these guys. I think they got some money. Let's mess up these chumps. Oh, shoot. Why do they want me so bad? Dude, you are dying.
Oh, it's that guy.
I'm not having any of this.
Oh. Look at it all.
Why did you not land on the thing? Dude, I have 2 health. Look at me.
No.
Back off, son. Okay, I'm regenerating fast.
Oh yeah, just stand. Remember, when you stand still, you get it. Ow.
These guys have so much
Yeah, those
health.
last guys, they kill us. Oh, they're shooting missiles at me.
Okay, let's go back
Let's go.
up.
Let's go get the chest. Let's go.
You have left me to die. Those missiles do a lot of damage. You die in a hilarious pose.
Killed by whore.
I was killed by a horror.
Whore.
I think that was a back to menu scenario.